Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some breaded shrimp in the air fryer. These are the ingredients: some cooking spray, Old Bay, pepper, garlic salt, 2 eggs, and I actually made my own breadcrumbs with cornflakes and chicken bouillon. If you would like a video, please let me know. You can use your own breadcrumbs, whatever you find in the store, Panko, whatever. And these are the shrimp. These are peeled, deveined, and I actually took off the tail. Once those are rinsed, you'll start off by sprinkling your seasoning, your garlic salt, pepper, and Old Bay. If you're not a fan of Old Bay, you don't have to use it. As you guys can tell, I already whisked my eggs, so those are ready to go. You'll go ahead and just mix these so they're evenly seasoned. And you'll start off by placing your shrimp in the egg mixture and then bringing them over to the breadcrumbs. You'll want to go ahead and just pack it on there. Pack. You're just going to repeat this over with all your shrimp, and once those are done, you'll place them in a single layer in your air fryer. Spray some oil and start your air fryer. Once they're halfway cooked, you'll go ahead and flip them so they are evenly cooked. And voila, you got yourself some breaded shrimp. Look how delicious these look. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. Until next time, bye.